Welcome back. Today we'll do the second module of CCPR and start with the fourth chapter, that is fundamental. Now mass media has furthermore bifurcations to it. We have the radio and television. Now what is radio and television? What we hear, the various FM channels that we have. For so long we've been listening to so many types of podcasts now. So that is also part of your radio. Television, the audio-visual format. Radio is just the audio format, whereas television is the audio-visual format. You can see what's being played there. Alright, so one parameter of your mass media is radio and television. Then the second one is films. Films would not probably be your classic blockbusters or commercial movies, but movies that are short in duration, that have some important message to convey. Say for example the recent short film of Akshay Kumar using a mask and letting the people know that if it's really essential for you to go out during this pandemic situation, please carry a proper, please wear proper gloves, wear a mask, have a sanitizer with you, or wherever you go, constantly keep washing your hands. With limited people on set, which is probably the director or cinematographer, they shot the whole film and it was released for the general public to give out a certain message. Alright, so films that probably give some sort of information or give some sort of tutoring to a certain individual or organization can also be a part of external measures that these organizations use. So many organizations are associated on the CSR activity. So they may have the whole concept of probably, saving of water, saving electricity, or, girl child. PNG, what does PNG tell you each time? That we have, whatever products you buy, a certain amount of it from each of your products will go towards the education of a girl child. So what are they basically doing? They're giving a small short film, so small girls are running around here, there, and then one of them comes and tells you that, thank you so much, because of your contribution or because of your help, I was able to study, or I'm able to, complete my 10th standard or complete my 12th standard. And then whoever the brand ambassador is, I think for PNG, it's Vidya Balan. So she comes in, she tells them that whatever products you buy of PNG, 1% of it or 2% of it, a certain amount of each product goes towards the education of a child. So what are they using? Short films as a medium of letting the people know that we as an organization exist and we are doing a good job of, helping the people, the CSR activity. So please buy our products and services. So films as a short film concept is also a part of mass media and external measure of your public relations. Then we move to understanding the third measure of mass media, which is press. Now press, as the name suggests, is your newspapers, your magazines, your weeklies, your fortnightlies, or the books that are published once in 6 months or once in a year, your handbook kind of thing. Alright, so what do we understand by press is giving a piece of information to the public in using either of these formats, using the newspapers or the magazines, and letting the people know that probably, we may have a new CEO coming into picture, or this is a new product we are coming up with, and keep tuned in to understand or to know more, or participate in certain contests and you could win a particular product. So using the press, the newspapers, the magazines or the weeklies, they are letting the people know that we as an entity exist and this is what our products and services are all about. So using that also is a part and parcel of mass media. Now we complete 2 parameters. That is, first was image building and second communication for PR as a major component of understanding what are the external measures. Now the third concept is of data collection. Now what is the meaning of data collection? Understanding what the people have an opinion about a product or service that you have to offer. Alright, so data collection through either questionnaire or through opinion polls. Okay, now what are opinion polls? Youngsters using Instagram, know the feature of asking questions, yes, no, ha, na, black, white, this, that. So similarly, organizations also have their places through which they send out these surveys to its customers कि भाई तुम्हें ये प्रोडक्ट हमारा अच्छा लगा कि नहीं, अच्छा लगा तो इसका प्राइस बराबर लगा कि नहीं, इसका क्वांटिटी बराबर लगा कि नहीं. So about a certain product you frame certain questions and the customer has to just reply yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Based on which you come to know whether the customer, that is your external stakeholder, is happy with your product or not. Right? And what are questionnaires? Questionnaires probably are where you have to, apart from writing yes or no, they could probably say that, do you like this particular thing? Do you strongly agree, disagree, neutral, agree, and strongly agree? So what are in the 5-point like the scale? What is your content or what is the liking towards this brand? So questionnaire is a long, elongated version of opinion polls. Okay, opinion polls probably could just be 1 or 2 questions, but questionnaires are lengthy. 10 questions in a line or 15 questions in a line are what are opinion polls or data collection. Then we move to the 4th concept, which is organization of social activities or sports. Now, what is the meaning of social activities or sports? Sitting within the organization and letting it compete with your competitors' team. So they have these like Vodafone versus Airtel team fighting for a trophy for a cricket match. So these are organizing sports and social activities. Then we have attending customer complaints as a 5th parameter for the external measures for public relations. Now, what is the meaning of understanding or attending to these customer complaints? Maybe on the website, alright, or on the consumer forum, or using these social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, your customers, or Amazon, alright, you sell your products on Amazon, and the customers have complained against your product. So what are you doing is you're not just letting it leave unanswered, you probably are reaching out to them and trying to solve their query as to why, what went wrong, or was it because of the delivery not made properly that the product was not of appropriate condition or inappropriate condition, or was it because of the fact that the product itself had certain issues with it, or maybe the packaging was not done right. So you are attending to your complaints the customers have made, which gives them a positive feedback that okay, I am being valued. Organization perspective, it could have lakhs of customers, and from these lakhs, if 10 of them are also complaining about the product, they would be like, हमारे पास इतने तो customers were happy with it. But no, if you look after these 10 unhappy customers, they are going to be the positive word of mouth for your brand, and they are going to make you have more sales for your product. So the positive attending to these customer complaints on these forums or on these social medias will leave a positive impact for your organization. So we have the PRs for that who do all of this, right? And the last but not the least again is press release and newsletter. Now press release in this particular parameter of external measure, we talk of, say for example, the CEO has changed, or we take an example of dairy milk. The controversy that it had in terms of finding worms in the pack of dairy milk. So what did dairy milk as a brand, Cadbury as a brand do? It let out a public apology in the leading newspaper stating that sorry, worms were found, and we do not want to hurt the sentiments of our consumers who've been so loyal to us for so many years. So we definitely need to understand as to what went wrong, how did the worms come inside. Post which they roped in Amitabh Bachchan. They shot a nice ad where they showed that dairy milk is, how it's being manufactured and how it's being packed, and then that's the time when they have this triple layer packing. First it was a golden foil, then a white color, it was set into the white color envelope, and then the purple color, whichever brand it was then, Silk or the regular dairy milk, it was then packed into that purple packets, properly stacked in the bigger containers, and then shipped to various distributors. So this is nothing but letting the people know that we value you. If there is some mistake, if there is some, you've tarnished our image, or if our image is, on stakes, we'll lead out a certain statement and we'll make sure that this particular thing definitely happens. So what are the overall 6 external measures? Image building, right? Then communication for PR, then data collection. The fourth one is cultural and sports activities, organizing cultural and sports activities. For the fifth one is your attending to customer complaints, yeah. And the sixth one is understanding or probably these press releases or newsletter releases. Alright, with this we finish the external measures.